Welcome to the world of Goel Group. We believe in the power of quality and strive in providing only the best quality TMT rebars for our customers. We tap only the best raw materials for the production of our steel. Iron ore and other raw materials like coal and dolomites are taken for quality check before they are used for production. The plant has its own railway siding facility, enabling timely movement of raw material at cheaper cost. The properties of the iron ore are refined and improved by removing any gangue minerals and contaminants from the mined ore in our beneficiation plant. The ores are then crushed, washed and taken to the pelletization unit. Moving ahead, our sponge iron facility with a capacity of 1700 metric tons per day have been installed, keeping in mind our current capacity of steel making with room for future expansion for subsequently rolling capacities. The sponge iron from here is taken for a final chemical analysis before we move it to our steel melting furnaces. We would now like to invite you to our TMT rolling mill factory, where you would be able to walk through and experience our entire rolling process. Keeping our quality benchmark in mind, we use only high-quality pellet-based sponge iron to ensure steel is free from any defects. Ladle refining furnaces, or LRF, is a steel melting technology used to remove impurities such as sulfur and phosphorus from the molten metal. Once refined, samples are sent to our lab for a chemical analysis. Only batches that have been tested and approved gets to proceed ahead. Post the continuous caster, the temperature and visual inspection of each billet is done to ensure a smooth rolling process. Dimensions of the billet is also checked to maintain the uniformity of our final product and to minimize wastage. rolling mill is a fully automatic 18-stand straight mill which rolls world-class quality TMT bars at high speed. Equipped with automated loopers, it helps in maintaining the section weight of the TMT bars and ensures that each bar is of uniform weight. The temperature of the rebar is checked at this stage to ensure it is within the rolling parameter we have set. Using the Thermix process, a short, intensive but very precise inline quenching is carried out, resulting in rapid cooling and hardening of the periphery while keeping the core of the rebar still hot. On further cooling of the bar in ambient temperature, a thermal exchange occurs between the hot core and cooled outer surface, resulting in high strength, high ductility and excellent bend properties of the rebars. The rebars would be cut to length using a hydraulic operated cold shear to ensure perfect cutting length. The rebars would then be checked for straightness and tied in bundles as per requirement and specification. You have now gone through the step-by-step process of rebar manufacturing. However, these rebars are not yet ready for dispatch. For that, samples from each batch would need to go through a set of vigorous chemical and mechanical tests to check their quality. Please proceed to our in-house state-of-the-art lab to witness our latest batch being tested. Bend testing allows us to determine the bend strength, resistance to fracture, fracture strength, and ductility of the rebars. Tensile testing, also known as tension testing, is a fundamental material science and engineering test in which our rebar is subjected to a controlled tension until failure. Using cutting-edge spectrometer systems, spectrograph tests are carried out here to determine the chemical composition of each test samples. We now have the rebar we are proud of. We now have Goel TMT.